we're just gonna type your partner's numbers, then some phone, then we tell him, who are you dating? If your partner says your name, then you get 1,000 rand.
Really?
Yeah.
1,000 rand? Let's try. Really?
Yeah. So we okay. Number wake, then some phone, yeah.
Okay, let's
So
try
we
then.
good. Okay, I'm shooting in this bus if you don't mind. Can you go to the bus and shoot if you don't mind this bus? Yeah, that's where we're shooting. Then we're not gonna go give him the call.
Okay.
You can go. Except this is your boy Lily Hlonolo from CMTV. You know what we do best. We test relationship. We make sure that people are dating the right people, you know. Because you can be dating someone for 10 years, and you're aside for 10 years. So it's possible, guys. We want to make sure that everyone is dating the right person. All right?
Great, Sunjani.
Good. You are Kolum?
Yeah.
Is that your home language, like your Kolum?
Yeah.
Okay. What's that spell?
No.
Have you ever dated a belly man?
Yeah.
How was it? Bekumnandi.
Bekubuhlungu.
Why?
Bekubuhlungu mara ngeke kube mnandi vele.
Bekubuhlungu in terms of what? Cheating or veka nguphi? He wasn't giving you.
In terms of cheating.
Cheating.
Yeah, mara beka ngijolela.
Oh, ngiyaqolisa on behalf of belly people.
Yeah, beka ngijolela.
But empathy ngeke mnandi.
Yeah, konke beku right.
Yazi ukuthi with bellies you won't go wrong. You know that, ne? I'm sure that's why you dated bellies, ne? Have you dated vendors?
No.
Tongas?
No, I don't like them.
Hey. Are you a tribalist?
No, I'm not a tribalist. I don't like them.
Why?
Angibathandi vele kahle kahle kuba yibo kwabo the way they dress angibathandi. Namanye ama cultures abo like ngiyabe ngwaza ukuthi banje like angibathandi like. Yeah, that's me.
This is so different. Like you just don't like them.
Yeah, I don't like them.
But you like berries. I'm just asking, you like berries?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.